In this particular question, we are given that the wind turbine maker Leon Energy posted a net loss of 250 crore for the fourth quarter ended in March 31, 2010, as against a net profit of 350 crore in the same quarter the year ago. So basically, earlier it was in profit, now it is in loss. In the financial year, the company clocked a gross income of 6517 as against 9778. So the gross income has also gone down. Leon Energy clocked a loss of 1100 crores as a net profit of 320 crores. So from the profit has gone into a loss, the revenues have gone down, everything is kind of falling apart. The sales revenues stood at 22,400 for the year approximately, which is 21% less than 28,350 crore last year. So the sales revenue, that is also going down. For the financial year ending, Leon Energy's sales volume was 4560 megawatts from 2935 megawatts a year ago. So if you realize what is happening is that their capacity or whatever volume they are selling, that is going up, but their revenue has gone down, which has led to loss, and it has become a loss-making company from a profit-making company. The CEO, in his message to shareholders, suggested that the poor performance of the company was a result of adverse economic conditions during the year ended March 31. Okay, so the CEO of the company is blaming it on the market and the market conditions, recessionary phase and all that. Now you are a shareholder owning 5% of the shares of Leon Energy. Well, you are a rich guy if you are owning 5% of such a company. But have seen the stock price decline by more than 50% during this year and are quite upset with the way the management has been handling its business. You have decided to confront the management at the next shareholder meeting and have chosen the following 5 points to argue along the CEO's version of the story. We'll just have a look at those 5 points. In light of the above paragraph, select the most appropriate order of these 5 statements that you as a disappointed shareholder should adopt, stringing and a robust preface in your case against the management in front of the management and other shareholders. So basically what it's saying is that you know that sales revenue has gone down, the profit has turned into a loss, and the management is blaming it on recession. Among these 5, what should your order be so that you can give a good argument or a counter argument to the CEO's story of recession? Let's look at the arguments. The management is not doing its best to maintain profitability of the company. The company has actually increased its sales volume during the year under consideration. Yes, this is a very valid point. You should definitely bring this up that your sales has gone up. Let's go back. From 2935 megawatts, it has gone up to 4560 megawatts. The adverse economic conditions have led to a worldwide increase in the adoption of alternative energy resources, reflecting in all-time highest profits for wind turbine makers in both developed and developing countries. So this completely blows away the CEO's theory of recession, that all other wind turbine companies are making more and more money, more profits, whereas you are lagging behind. The management has been at lax with its employees as the management enjoys a large set of benefits from the company that they would have to forego if they became strict with the employees. Low priority item, how the management about benefits and stuff. The company is trying to increase sales by charging lower unprofitable prices. Yes, this is also a very valid argument if used in conjunction with statement 2, because statement number 2 was sales volume going up. Statement number 5 is that the company is trying to increase sales by charging lower because the revenue has gone down and has led to unprofitable prices. Let's look at the order which is suggested in the options, and maybe that will give us a better picture. So statement A is 231. 2, it says start with increase the sales volume. Adverse, no, this does not have a logical flow. Won't go ahead with this. 1, 3 and 2. The management is not doing its best. Adverse economic conditions have led. I don't think, until and unless you are starting with statement 3, I don't think it makes much sense. Let me just look at this one, because 3 sets a very good ground that everyone else is making profits. Now let's look at whether 3, 2, 5 makes sense. Third is the adverse economic conditions. Okay, so this gives a holistic picture of what is happening in the world. Then you are saying that, okay, your sales volume has gone up. And then you are saying in statement 5 that you are charging lower and unprofitable prices. This is a very strong argument. And I think you should go ahead with option D. Because first you give a global picture. In the second point here, you are able to tell them that your sales volume has actually increased. And then also you are occurring a loss. Why are you occurring a loss? You are giving that reason in statement number 5. Because you are charging lower, you are charging unprofitable prices. So option D forms a very strong, a very logical argument, and that is what you should go with. Thank you.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos.